Alright, once we're in Zotero, how can we add data to make citations later? How do we add sources? Well, as I mentioned, you can create a folder, okay? As you can see, we can choose where to create it, right? If I create it within the test folder, it'll make a subfolder. Got it? Let's delete all of this, okay? Now let's add a document. Click Add New Item to see all options. Here's where you can add a book, document, article, or newspaper article. Let's say we add a book. It'll ask for all the book's metadata, right? Title, author, series, serial number, edition, and so on. Why do I say and so on? Because this isn't, I've seen people say, no, just add it like that and you're done. Yeah, sure. And if you want, I'll start writing the book, you know? So what I recommend is that you don't do this, okay? Let's go to Zotero, to the Zotero connector, all right? And now we search for the topic we want. So that's where we search, okay? Now select the extension, and click Save to Text, okay? It's important that we do this search through Google Scholar, all right? This is where we get all those citations we can use for educational purposes, okay? Now just select the extension. As you can see, it's changed color, right? Here it lets us choose which citations we want to add, okay? And we would select them, obviously. We can click select all and okay, all right? As you see now, if we go to the extension, it's saving slowly to test, okay? We need to wait for it to finish saving. It's telling us that this version isn't available. We got an error, but now we have everything here, okay? Here we'd have the whole database on orchids, if eating orchids is good, right? It's that simple.